Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So the latest Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus leaks leaves nothing to the imagination. There are three mainstream Samsung flagship in the pipeline at the moment, and it was 8 days ago when every last detail about the Galaxy S21 Ultra leaked, and now it's turned towards the more affordable Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus thanks to WinFuture. According to this new leak, all the detail about the S21 and S21 Plus specs, camera and features has been revealed. So according to the leak, the Galaxy S21 will be featuring a 6.2-inch flat display, and that display is going to be AMOLED and it's going to be protected by Gorilla Glass Victus that supports a full HD plus resolution and 120 Hz of refresh rate. It also reaches a peak brightness of 1300 nits. The refresh rate is static, so it won't be dynamically adaptive based on the content being shown in order to save battery. Instead, if 120 Hz is chosen, everything will be displayed at that refresh rate at all time. Keeping everything running throughout the day is the 4000 mAh battery, and Samsung won't be including a power brick in the box for a European customer despite mocking Apple. But both wireless charging and 25-watt fast wired charging are also supported. According to the leak information, the unannounced Exynos 2100 is also included, and pre-Renault quadrant the chipset offers one high ultra-core performance core inside. Samsung customers living in the US, Canada, China, and probably in South Korea will be receiving the Snapdragon 888 processor inside, which was benchmarked recently. But the rest of the spec sheet should be identical. Rounding out to the package is 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of base storage across Europe with the option of 256 gigs models, but in the US, Samsung is expected to offer 256 gigs as a standard. Neither variant supports micro SD cards. On the topic of cameras, Samsung isn't making too many changes, and the leaked spec sheet shows that it will be resuming the Galaxy S21's main and ultra-wide cameras and throwing it some software improvement. For those who aren't familiar with the Galaxy S21, features a 12-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, and it boasts a 64-megapixel of telephoto camera capable of 3x hybrid zoom. And although this sensor size has been increased a little bit on the Galaxy S21. Samsung is said to be introducing an update moon mode and improved night mode with extra manual controls to expect support for 8K videos at 30 frames and 4K videos at 60 frames per second, and a dual recording mode that allows users to record video with front and rear camera at the same time are also featuring. So these are some of the specifications for the base model. Now moving towards the Galaxy S21 Plus. Well, the S21 Plus is virtually identical to its sister device in every way. The only physical difference is the punch hole display, which measures its 6.7 inch and houses a 10 megapixel selfie camera. The bigger display naturally translates into a larger physical package, and the Galaxy S21 Plus will have a weight of 171 grams. On the other side, there was a rumor about 12 gigs of RAM as standard, but it turns out that Samsung has stuck with 8 gigs of RAM this model too. They are noticeably bigger 4800 mAh battery with a support for the same charging technologies though. Both the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus run Android 11 One UI 3.1 straight out of the box, and there is IP68 water and dust resistance. It's worth noting that Samsung has once again skipped the support for micro SD card inside their flagship level device. Obviously, these two devices are pretty much identical in terms of design and spec sheet inside, and I honestly don't think that there is going to be any kind of a difference in both these devices. If you wanted to have a better and good device, then I honestly think that the Galaxy S21 Ultra will have better spec sheet than these two devices. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the spec sheet of both the devices in the comment section below. And if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace!